Have you ever wondered how a tiny egg transforms into a fully grown chicken? The journey is entirely natural, guided by the instincts of a mother hen. From egg incubation to hatching and growth, this fascinating process showcases the wonders of life. Let's explore the step-by-step natural progression from egg to adult chicken. Raising chickens at home is a time-honored tradition, practiced by many for the joy of fresh eggs, meat, or simply connecting with nature. From egg-laying to hatching and growth, let's take a closer look at the natural process that turns a tiny egg into a fully grown chicken. Egg-laying. A fertilized egg is laid by the hen, typically after mating with a rooster. These eggs are ideal for hatching. Incubation by hens. A broody hen instinctively sits on the eggs to maintain the right temperature and humidity. She turns the eggs naturally to ensure proper embryo development. This incubation process lasts 21 days. Hatching. Chicks begin breaking their shells on the 21st day, a process called pipping. The hen provides warmth and security during this crucial stage. Post-hatching care. The hen teaches her chicks essential survival skills like scratching for food and recognizing danger. Chicks grow rapidly under her care, becoming independent after 6 to 8 weeks. Growth to adulthood. By 5 to 6 months, chickens reach full maturity. Hens start laying eggs, while roosters become protective of the flock. From the first egg to fully grown chickens, the journey is one of natural care and development. Raising chickens is not only rewarding, but also a great way to connect with nature and experience the miracle of life. Whether for eggs, meat, or simply the joy of watching them grow, the process is a beautiful reminder of the simplicity and wonder of nature. Thanks for exploring this fascinating cycle with us.